Friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600, and concept is subject verb agreement and verb. So let us begin. It says the fort and exactness of the ancient inhabitants of the southwest in measuring the movements of the sun and moon is evidenced not only at Chaiko Canyon but at a number of other sites. Now the question is, verb is here, so which rule will be applied? Will it be the preposition one, that is rule number one, or comma? Because this verb is after comma. This verb is after comma, and that is why rule of comma will be applied. And that is, if verb falls after comma, subject will be before previous comma, and that is why now the subject will be before it, and that is called the fort and exactness. So it is two, that is called plural, and that is why instead of is it should be are. So option A out. Second is what to write in measuring the movements of the sun or to measure. So people, whenever we talk about intention, when it is about purpose, in that case 2 plus verb should be. So the intention of the passage is to talk about purpose. It says in ancient inhabitants of the southwest to measure the movements of sun and moon is evidenced. So it's been what that it was evidence to do something, and that is why in measuring, no, it should be to measure. So option A out. Why? Because of subject verb agreement and verb error. Option B is fine. Option C out because of subject verb agreement and infinitive error. And option D out. Why? Because of subject verb agreement error. So left with option B and option E. Now B, verb error, that is called infinitive one, and that is why option B out and E becomes best option. Now one more question you can ask about that, not only but also is correct or not, because there is no also. See, what is not underlined we cannot think, but yeah, the correct idiom is not only but also, but here also is missing. That is why we will follow not only, and because it has been mentioned in all options, so we will consider it but also, not only but also idiom. Though there is no idiomatic error, it is subject verb agreement and verb error. So option E is best option.